You're welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will bring you this cryptocurrency video. Right now, Bitcoin is trading at 19.1k level approximately. And yesterday I talked about this very level. I said if you see a breakout, don't take a trade because market is going to go down. You can watch that video again on the channel and also on ETH. I said don't take a trade here because it was resistance, and market have a high capacity of moving back to the downside. And the exact same thing we are seeing at this very area on the 4-hour chart ETH. So now what are we expecting in the market in the next coming days? All of this and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. On the 1-day chart here, this chart right here, market move a little bit to the upside and then seems to be coming back down right now, and the market have to obey this very level where the market move from, except a breakout. So in as much as we are seeing the market moving up and down with no precise direction, at this very area is a very good point to pay attention to on support, because anything that makes this area to be broken on the 1-day chart, then that means we are going to be looking at the 1-week chart for a proper move to the downside. So please pay attention to this very area of support. As we see the market begin to move to the downside, a breakout here will make the market to move down drastically, and which will make us to flip back to the 1-week chart on this very area for a massive movement to the downside. Except that, expect the market to still be in this formation of going to the upside. Then on the 4-hour chart, yesterday I talked about the market moving down from this area, and I said if you see a breakout from this very level, of consolidation, little consolidation here to the upside, don't take a trade. In that very video I said that, and if you look at it, market move up as if it want to break out, and after that you see the market move right down just like I predicted. So now what are we looking at now in the market? Look at this very level to be very important right now, this very level of support. So markets should move to the upside from this area where the market is to this level of support right at this point. That is where I'm expecting the market to move back to the upside from, and a breakout of this level of support from this area will send the market back into this very level of major support. Okay, this is a minor support right here compared to this very one that we were looking at for a very long time in this range market. So what I am paying attention to now is the market to move back to the upside from this area of 19.2k level and this area of 19k. Okay, from this level expect the market to move back to the upside, and this is a very good support. And on the ETH USDT 4-hour chart as well, I said don't take a position from this very area, and that I am expecting retracement, exact same thing, retracement coming to the market, and right now expect the market to move up. So from this very level as well, to be very precise on this very move from this very area of support and where the market is right now, expect the market to move from this area to the upside. That means what you should be looking out for on this level is a significant bullish candle that will move to the upside, or any of the candlestick pattern that signify a bullish move to the upside. The same thing on BTC. What you should be paying attention to right here is a significant bullish candle or any candlestick pattern that signify a bullish move to the upside. So this is what I am paying attention to right now on the ETH USDT 4-hour chart for market to move from this area to the upside, and the same thing on the BTC USD chart right here. So what are you expecting in the market on this very chart of 4 hour? Do you think the market is going to ride back down into this level of support? We're going to see that very move from here to the upside. Comment below in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you've not enrolled for the Remit Trade intensive cryptocurrency course and mentorship program and learn how to do simple technical analysis for profitable trading, check the description of this video. You see a contact, reach out to me and get properly trained. And also, if you've not registered on Binance, OKX, $600 bonus on Bybit. Check the link in the description of this video and do your registration right now. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.